Welcome, dear friends. We want to solve this question, exponential equation. If 8 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power m is equal to 130, then what is the value of m? Kindly subscribe to my channel. Let us solve this problem. Solution to it. Given 8 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power m equal to 130. You know that 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power 3. So I will write this 8 as 2 raised to the power 3, then raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power m equal to 130. By law of indices, 3 will multiply with m to give me 2 raised to the power 3m plus 2 raised to the power m equal to 130. Now, I can also, if I have 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by m, it is the same thing as 2 raised to the power m multiplied by 3. This is true and correct by law of indices. Therefore, I will write 2 raised to the power m all raised to the power 3, then plus 2 raised to the power m equal to 130. At this point, let 2 raised to the power m be equal to t. Anywhere I see 2 raised to the power m, I will represent it with the letter t. That means I will have t, which is 2 raised to the power m raised to the power 3, t raised to the power 3 plus t is equal to 130. I can now move 130 from the right hand side to the left hand side, and it will give me t raised to the power 3 plus t minus 130 is equal to 0. Also, 130 is the same thing as 26 multiplied by 5. That is 26 multiplied by 5. 5 here is 30. 5 here is 10 plus 3, which is 13. So I can now therefore write t also. T can be written, that is plus t, can be written as 26t minus 25t. So I can represent plus t as 26t minus 25t. Now what I will write is t raised to the power 3 plus, or rather minus 25t plus 26t, then minus 130 is equal to 0. What is different is that I have replaced plus t to become minus 25t plus 26t, and minus 25t plus 26t will give me plus t. The essence of it is because I want to factor something common. But then see again that from here I can write what is common here, okay, which is t into t squared minus 25, okay. In these two expressions, I have factored out t, left with inside the bracket t raised to the power 2 minus 25. What it means is that t multiplied t squared will give me t raised to the power 3, and t multiplied by minus 25 will give me minus 25t. Then I have left plus 26t minus 130 equal to 0. Also, if I have x squared minus y squared, it is equal to x plus y into x minus y. It is called the difference of two squares. I will do that here to have t into, of course, let me put it down first as t squared minus 5 squared, then plus 2060 minus 130 equal to 0. Now, I can now apply difference of two squares. This bracket is exactly what I have here as x raised to the power 2 minus y raised to the power 2. So I can now write it as t into the bracket, then t minus 5, and also t plus 5, then plus 2060 minus 130 equal to 0. At this point, something is common. If you don't mind, let me come to this place and factor what is common as well. That will give me t into t minus 5, also t plus 5, which is this, expressed in difference of two squares. And here what is common is 26 is common, so I can write 26 plus, then leaving me inside the bracket as t minus 5. Because we said here that 130 is the same thing as 26 times 5. What it means is that 26 multiplied by t will give me 2060. And also 26 multiplied by minus 5 will give me minus 130, as we have expressed here. So, what now you can see with me is that from the expression t minus 5 is here, t minus 5 is here. I can factor it out to have t minus 5, then, and into the bracket I'll have this t multiplying t plus 5, then plus 26. Everything now is equal to 0. What I have done, just watch very well. T minus 5 is here, t minus 5 is here. It is factored out. And what is left here is t, which is this, then t plus 5, which is this, and then plus 26, which is this. This and this are already factored out. Now, moving forward, I will have t minus 5 into, I have the bracket t times t is t squared, and t times 5 will give me 5t, then plus 26, everything is equal to 0. So, what we can now do, I want you to see it that the first bracket is equal to 0, the second bracket also is equal to 0. We can now say from what we have, from the first bracket, that t minus 5 is equal to 0, meaning that t is equal to 5. We have gotten the first three answer for the value of t, not the answer for the value of n. But here, we have gotten the value of t. From the second bracket, t squared plus 5t plus 26 is equal to 0. Going by quadratic formula, a here is 1, b is equal to 5, and c is 26. Therefore, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where b is minus 5 plus or minus 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is 26. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2 times a, and a is 1. So this will give us minus 5 plus or minus. Here, 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 1 times 26 will give us 104. Okay? All over 2. So moving forward, I have minus 5 plus or minus. The square root of 104 minus 25 is minus 79. Now, from this square root side, you can see that we have gotten negative 79. which implies that the answer that we will get here is going to be a complex value. Okay? Therefore, this is to be rejected. Rejected because inside the square root, that is the discriminant, is negative, implying we are going to get a complex value. Therefore, we reject this. Moving forward, the value of t here, which is real, is going to be used. And what we now do is, from here where we say let 2 raised to the power n be equal to t, I put it forward. 2 raised to the power n is equal to t. And I have gotten t here to be equal to 5. So I represent that 2 raised to the power n equal to 5. So I have represented t with what we got t to be, which is 5. Now, I will take logarithm to both sides. Log of 2 raised to the power n is equal to log of 5. By law of logarithms, m will come to the front to give me m log 2 is equal to log 5. So dividing both sides by log 2 will give me m log 2 all over log 2 is equal to log 5 all over log 2. So this will cancel this to give me n equal to log 5 divided by log 2. Now, we can now apply the use of calculator to find log 2, log 5 first, and log 5 is given to me as 0.696989 divided by log 2, and log 2 is equal to 0.3010 equal to m. So the final value of m is to divide log 5 by log 2, which is 0.6989 divided by 0.3010, which is going to give us 2.3219. Okay? In conclusion, the value of m is equal to 2.3219. Final answer. Alright, we have come to the conclusion to this problem where we are asked to find the value of m, and that value of m is 2.3219. Please, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your learning colleagues, and may God bless you. Bye.